beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Sass Club with your girl Rachel. Today's short video is about cleaning your makeup brushes. So I will be showing you how to clean and sterilize your makeup brushes in quick little steps. So let's get right into it. First of all, if you are a regular makeup user, I do not think it's important to overemphasize the importance of clean makeup brushes. But for those of you who do not know, one of the major ways we contact and infect our faces with bacteria is through filthy makeup brushes, because product gets accumulated on it and it gets really filthy and everything gets clogged, and then we put it on our faces and it gets infected. So I guess the long and short of that breathless grammar is that you have to keep your makeup brushes clean. So if you can't clean them every week, at least clean them every other week. So in this video, I will be using half to 1 liter of warm water and 3 to 4 cups of the Joker Woods white spirit vinegar. Any vinegar would do for this purpose. We do know that vinegar is such an incredible cleansing and sanitizing agent. So I use 3 to 4 cups of that. And then I go in with my sweet smelling soap. For the purpose of this video, you can use any soap at all as long as it leaves a pleasant fragrance on your brushes. Mine is stolen from my brother anyway. It's not my soap. I then mix the soap into the mixture of water and fragrance, and once I mix it into the water, I then soak in my brushes. Usually, I leave my brushes soaked for some seconds or minutes, depending on how filthy I think they are. And once I feel they are nicely soaked, I then start teasing them with a comb. Any tiny tooth comb would do. The purpose of it is to unclog all the accumulated makeup and filth out of a brush. And as you can see, the water is turning brown because the dirt is really coming out. And then you change the water and replace it with clean and fresh water and repeat the process again. And once you feel like your makeup brushes are clean, you can see from the color of the water, it's not as darkish brown as it was at first. And then you empty that, and then it's time for rinsing of your makeup brushes, which keep calling it toothbrushes. So at this stage, you really can use cold water or still going with warm water, depends on what your preference is. But I use cold water to rinse it out and make sure there's no remnant of products in my makeup brushes. As you can see, I'm cleaning them after rinsing them on a kitchen towel or any towel that is clean. I use kitchen towel so that I can dispose of them and get new ones. So but you can see that there's no product and there's no color left on the napkin. It's preferable to use a white napkin so you can see what is being left on it. If there's product, then you can go in and wash again. But as you can see, my brushes are clean. So after this process, which is cleaning, you can see there's nothing in the roots of them. I try to open them and there's nothing underneath them. So it means my brushes are sparkling clean. So what I do now is to take them over to the radiator and place them on another clean napkin over the radiator. And after an hour or so, this is what the result is: clean, makeup free, and nicely smelling makeup brushes. I hope you like this video, and do not forget to like my video, smash that subscribe button, and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Thursday. And do not forget to like my video and leave your comments in the comment section and tell me other methods that you use in cleaning your makeup brushes. And I hope you have been cleaning your makeup brushes. If you haven't, this is your call to action to go forth and rescue those brushes. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.